Hey guys, welcome back at Literature Hub. Today we are going to talk about another Indian English writer, R.K. Narayan. So let's talk about him. R.K. Narayan was born on 10th October 1906 and died on 13th May 2001. His full name was Rashipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. He was born in Madras, British India. Intellectual inspiration was always there as a subject matter in his works. He got Sahitya Akademi Award in 1960 for his novel Guide. He also received the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan Award. In 1939, he was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. Once a well-known American writer Somerset Maugham came to Mysore to meet Narayan, but somehow he couldn't find his house. So he later wrote a letter to express his admiration for Indian author. The term Malgudi is very well connected with R.K. Narayan. Malgudi is the fictional setting of R.K. Narayan's novels and stories. It is a remarkable place in literature as a border countries of Sir Walter Scott, Lake District of Wordsworth, the Wessex of Hardy, or Five Towns of Arnold Bennett. Malgudi is an imaginary South Indian town around which Narayan has woven the complex pattern of the lives of his characters. He takes us to Malgudi to laugh and sympathize. Apart from his biography, I would also like to give a brief introduction about his well-known works. Swamy and Friends. It is the first of trilogy by R.K. Narayan that includes the Bachelor of Arts and the English Teacher. This is the first work by R.K. Narayan that's set in a fictional town, Malgudi. It was adapted by Shankar Nagar, director, into television series named Malgudi Days in 1986. Swamy and Friends. Title was suggested by Graham Greene, who was also a mentor of R.K. Narayan. The Bachelor of Arts. It is the second of trilogy. It is also set in Malgudi. Chandran is the central character in this novel. It is about transformation from an adolescent to adulthood and a hard time through which youth passes. The English Teacher, published in 1945. R.K. Narayan dedicated this novel to his wife Rajam. Krishna is the central character in this novel. He is an English teacher. He looks for inner peace and self-development. The Financial Expert, published in 1952, also set in Malgudi. Marga is the central character and he is a financial expert. He advises about financial matter to people from his own town, sitting under banyan tree. Waiting for Mahatma, published in 1952. Sri Ram is the protagonist in this novel who lives in Malgudi. He falls for a girl named Parthi, who is a part of Mahatma Gandhi's Quit India movement, and Sri Ram himself becomes an activist in this movement. The Man-Eater of Malgudi, published in 1961. In this novel, R.K. Narayan uses the myth of Bhasmasura. Stories tantalize the printer named Nataraj and another character Vasu, who becomes symbolism of self-destruction. The World of Nagraj, published in 1990, also set in Malgudi. Story is about Nagraj, a wealthy aristocratic man. His wife name is Sita, who is a shaft sometime, and Gopu, his elder brother, who is a very self-centered man. Next one is Guide, is very well-known work by R.K. Narayan, published in 1958. Set in Malgudi, it portrays the transforming journey of central character Raju, from a tour guide to spiritual holy man. In 1965, film released named Guide was based on this novel, stars Devanand and Wahida Rahman. Another important character in this novel is Rosie, a dancer and wife of Marco. Last but not the least, Dark Room, published in 1938. This novel is about domestic conflict. Ramani is the central character in this novel, who is a secretary in Ingledia Insurance Company. His wife name is Savitri, who is totally opposite from her husband. She symbolizes a dutiful and faithful wife. Thank you.